Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Bossly, and today we are putting more LEDs on the truck. Actually what we're going to replace today is the backup lights. It has the old halogen bulbs in it, and we're going to replace it with Auxbeam's LED backup lights. So let me show you what we're going to do. Alright, so right now we are at the passenger side brake light housing, and our backup light is going to be in this housing here. Honestly, you cannot even see where the bulb is at. Instead of having this halogen bulb in there, we are actually having this beautiful LED in there. They're supposed to be pretty bright, so I can't wait. The first step is we need to take this brake light housing off. So there's actually a screw right there, and then there's a screw right at the bottom there. So we're going to take those off. Alrighty, so once you get the top screw and the bottom screw out, you are actually able to take this whole light housing and pull it right off. Now, our backup light is at the very bottom, so this is going to be this bottom light here. So what you do is just like the old front headlights, you just push in this pin right here, push it in, and twist the bulb counterclockwise, and it comes right out. So this is pretty easy. You just I'll take my shirt here and just gently pull out the bulb. Take this guy here, put it straight in. I'll try not to touch this one either. Put it in there, and then what I'm going to do is, since LEDs have a polarity on them, I'm going to go to the truck and put it in reverse and see if it lights up this bulb. Okay, so as you can tell, we are actually in reverse, and you can tell this light is lit up, which means we are good to go. So we're going to take this bulb housing, get it to the right area where it falls in. Right there, twist it, and that you just notice that lock knob is back in there, so it's all good to go as all three of them are in there. Then you just slide it back up into its brake housing. So then all we're going to do is put the top screw in and the bottom screw in, and then we will see what it looks like. Alrighty, so there is the one on the driver's side. I got that one installed, and I have to say, combined, they look magnificent. The old ones in daylight you would not even see. I'm happy with those. Let's see what it does at night. Alrighty, so here's the footage of the night with the backup lights, and as you can tell, it's a pretty good distance out. And I have to say, these suckers are bright. It's looking like I got a second pair of headlights back here. These are really good. Their lighting's magnificent. I could see through my tent, which is nice, because I could barely see through my tent most of the time. Alrighty, so that concludes the end of today's video with the LEDs. I have to say, beautiful at night. Really beautiful. I could see now, especially with tinted windows. That's what makes it hard, but I can see now. I'm happy the way it came out, and thank you Auxbeam for those bright LEDs. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, mainly because 85% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed, so make sure you subscribe down below. And we are going to have another merch drop here soon. Don't know exactly when it's going to be, but it's going to be hopefully within the next month or so. Stay tuned for that. See you on the next one.